Welcome everybody to Blue Bike Noise channel with an episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Run an intro. Well, welcome back, pollen season. Dang. Alright. If you may not know, did I have? I thought I had maybe had a Maurice. No. Anyway, I don't see one. We just came back from the orphan run with Yogi Cycles, and Maurice came out and hang out with us. And then Bob's Garage, he gave me a sticker, but I doubt he didn't make it home with me, or I hadn't found it yet. So let's put up Maurice. It won't fit right there. It'll fit about right in there. No, it won't fit there. It'll fit right there. Maurice Ian and Karen from, yeah. And was hanging out with Yogi Cycles. Yogi Cycle Service. Oh, this ain't no easy pill.
Oh boy. Give me a minute. There it goes. It's one of them traps for vinyl ones, like made from a cricket, I guess. You gotta be extra careful. Pulling it off. There you go.
So let's put Yogi's fit right in there. Alright. Then you gotta peel it off. Like so. Mailman. Or lady. And also Maurice gave me some tags, plates. And it's a Freedom Cruiser Riding Club, Maurice. Okay. Freedom, he had a personalized tag from New Hampshire. Freedom Cruiser Riding Club. Maurice. Gave me that one. Gave me a car tag. Live Free or Die State, New Hampshire. And then the North Carolina trailer tag from North Carolina. So that adds to my collections of plates and all. So I've been working on the railroad, on the speaker box. So let's go out there and finish it up. So here's what we got done. Pollen season. So I left this out here to warm up. We're gonna cover this right here. This is the lid. I got this to sit down in there like so. And then this goes over it like so. And really all you're gonna see we'll fix all that when we load it all down, you know. But all you're gonna see is this right here. In there. We might backlight it and all. Because the center console's probably gonna end somewhere right in here. I don't know yet, you know. So let's cover this thing. According to the government, you know, males, they don't work. Gotta have male, female. That's the anatomy. You see we got this opening. What I'm going to cut, you cut it in a triangle with a razor blade. You take a kind of, you really just need a little bit. Fold over on the corners. Uh-oh, out of staples. Reloaded, cocked, locked, and ready to rock. Now trim off this bottom piece. Well, here's what we got. That's gonna stay. Yeah. I ain't got all this screwed in, but that's kind of what it's gonna look. That's just gonna sit in there like so. Yeah, like so. As you can see, and you see, it's pretty not too bad. Yeah, not too bad if you stand back and look at it like so. Yeah, it don't look too bad now, does it? But watch, we're gonna do this. It takes away from all that.
I work with a circular saw, a jigsaw, an air gun, staple gun, hammer, razor blade, scissors, tape measure, can of glue. I believe that's all.
Hey, I go hydrate. It's hot now. That's what it's cold in the wintertime. It's too cold to work. Now it's too hot to work. We're just getting started in the spring. Whew, pollen season. Once again, I appreciate Maurice for the plates and the sticker, and Yogi Cycles, Maurice for the stickers and all, and Bob's Garage. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened to yours. I swore I stuck them in my pants pocket, maybe. I don't know. I thought I put them in the saddlebags, but I can't find them. Had a great time at the orphan run. You'll be seeing that video before this one, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, you can go check out some other ooga-doogas. That video and that one. And the subscribe button for me. It's free. You know, cleaning up the mess.